Welcome to our video about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. As drone technology advances, excitement around this new model is palpable. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to set new standards in the consumer drone market, and we can't wait to dive into its impressive features. Release date. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be released sometime in November 2024 or early 2025. While this news has generated a lot of buzz among drone enthusiasts, it's important to note that DJI has not officially confirmed this release date, so we'll need to keep an eye out for any updates from the company in the coming months. Camera features. One of the standout features expected in the Mini 5 Pro is its camera. It's rumored to include a 1-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K footage at 60 frames per second. This improvement in camera quality is sure to elevate your aerial photography and videography. There's also speculation that the Mini 5 Pro might surprise us with a 5.1K sensor, offering the ability to shoot in 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second. If true, this would position the Mini 5 Pro as a formidable competitor in the drone market, catering to both hobbyists and professionals alike. Flight time. When it comes to flight time, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to provide around 40 minutes of flying on a single charge. This extended flight time allows for more exploration and creativity in your aerial shots, reducing the need for frequent battery changes during your sessions. Safety is always a priority when flying drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is likely to include advanced sensors designed to detect and avoid obstacles. This feature enhances the overall flying experience and helps prevent accidents, giving pilots more confidence in the air. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to include a range of intelligent flight modes that make flying easier and more enjoyable. Some of these modes may include active track, which allows the drone to follow a subject automatically, and quick shots, which can help capture stunning cinematic shots with minimal effort. Additionally, features like master shots may provide users with creative options to enhance their video content. These intelligent modes will appeal to both novice pilots and seasoned drone enthusiasts, enabling them to capture dynamic footage with ease. Remote controller. Another exciting aspect of the Mini 5 Pro is the possibility of a new or improved remote controller. There are rumors that this controller might come with a larger screen or enhanced connectivity options. These upgrades could improve the user experience by providing clearer visuals and a more responsive connection, allowing pilots to maintain better control over their drones during flights. Features. In addition to these impressive features, the Mini 5 Pro may also boast several other enhancements. One of the expected improvements is its low-light performance, which will enable users to capture better quality images and videos in challenging lighting conditions. Furthermore, there are whispers of enhanced capabilities for creating time-lapse and hyperlapse videos, along with more advanced panorama stitching techniques. The Mini 5 Pro might also offer seamless integration with other DJI products, making it easier for users to incorporate this drone into their existing setups. Pricing. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The Mini 5 Pro is likely to be positioned as a premium option within the Mini series. While the exact price hasn't been announced yet, it's clear that this drone is designed to deliver high-quality features and performance. As we wait for more details from DJI, it's worth considering the value it may bring to both hobbyists and professionals. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be a game-changer in the drone market, bringing significant upgrades to both casual and professional drone enthusiasts. Its rumored 1-inch sensor or potential 5.1K sensor will deliver stunning image quality and support advanced video recording, making it ideal for those seeking top-tier aerial footage. The capability to shoot 4K video at up to 120 frames per second opens the door to more detailed and smoother footage, especially for high-action shots. As we await official confirmation, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to significantly elevate aerial photography and videography, making it a highly anticipated product for the drone community. Stay tuned for more updates as its release nears.